Hi everybody and welcome to the Zoll office. Today I want to talk about pistol conversion kits. We got quite a few here on the table and on offer on the website from different brands, available for most popular handguns. They all operate pretty much the same way and have the same kind of features. This one has a dummy Glock 26. They come with a folding stock, they have a rail on the top, on the side, they have some sort of grip in the front. This one by CAA has a magazine area that you can have an extra magazine. They operate in the way that you have a latch in the back, you pull it backwards, comes out just like that, locks also in the front. This one is made by Fab. It's a slightly older one, more robust, all steel body. This one is also by Fab, polymer and steel body, operates pretty much the same way like I mentioned. What we have here is the CAA one, some optional accessories. Obviously you can add flip-up sights or a red dot sight. This one has a muzzle device. You can add a flashlight on the sides. It also has some thumb rests and certain things like that. This one is a super popular one made by Recover. As you can see, it's minimalist. You know it, you've seen it here before. This one is for the Smith & Wesson M&P. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the bigger one. This is the Kidon, comes in 3 different colors, made by IMI. Really will fit most handguns, hundreds of different models that are out there. It will fit it. Has a charging handle here on the side, folding stock just like the other ones. That's pretty much the selection that we have on the website. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.